Hello and welcome to the Enduring Gardener. Well, the sun's out, so it's an opportunity to get out and sort out the soil on this new border, which needs some life. It's thick clay soil with hardly any organic matter. So I've got some
Clay Bazaar
here from Dalefoot. That's their peat-free compost, which can be used as a mulch. It doesn't have any wool in it because, to be frank, this soil retains enough moisture, so it's just what I need. It has the organic matter to add some nutrients to the soil, aerate it, and that will improve the structure of it for planting out the new plants in spring. So let's get to work, shall we?
Yeah. Clay Bazaar.
Right, we've got to dig this in now. You can see how thick and clayey this soil is. It really does need a bit of help. Who needs the gym? It's cold out today, but not when you're digging thick clods of clay soil. The good news is it's getting lighter by the minute. And whilst I've been digging over the soil, I've also filled up this raised bed. So that's ready for the new season 2. Well, I think that will do. This soil should be in much better shape now for the new season. So that's all from the Enduring Gardener today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you next week. I think I'm going for a lie down.